In the ancient text of the Book of Enoch, the tale of the fallen angels unfolds against the backdrop of the natural world, serving as a mirror to their celestial rebellion. These angels, once part of the divine order, chose to descend to earth, disrupting the harmony between the heavens and the natural realm. The lush valleys and towering mountains, once symbols of divine creation, now echoed the consequences of their defiance. Nature, in its vastness, became a silent witness to their transgressions, reflecting the turmoil and imbalance brought forth by their actions. This story underscores a profound theme: the interconnectedness of rebellion and consequence, as nature itself bears the scars of their celestial fall.